ha ha ha. These kids don't want to play with me.
I took this part of the Rollin Rex. Push it! Okay, no, let me show you. Wallet. Yes, okay, I'll put another wheel of this rolling kid. Oh, cute! Cute kitty theory. Put those hands. Oh! I done correctly, yeah? Right? This goes on the 4-piece or what? Yes, that goes on the 4th. Are you right? So yes, see, 1, 2, 3. All two upside up. Yeah, we need to put this on the 4th hole, and then we need to put this like this. We're making a Rollin Rex. This way. Yeah, we need to put it on this hole. This is how it goes. Do you want it to see? That's very interesting. I'll put the next back. I love how it dips and zooms every time. Let me see. Put it like this way, does it say? Yes, both like this way. And that's how we do it. See, time to move up. This candy bite looks like it dips and do. Oh, the pieces go up and down. It says fold the flaps on the nose down and push them into the 2 slots on the head. We have the tail. Oh, what's connected together? Okay. No vision. Okay. This is a Rollin Rex. It's incompleted. Need a tail. So, how to put the tail, Mommy? This goes like this way. Does it goes? Oh, so these will go here, like its tail moves.
Here I come.